This video will demonstrate the recommended process for brewing coffee. Begin each brew cycle with a clean empty brew funnel and server. Be sure the server lid doesn't interfere with the flow of water. The funnels are equipped with 4 wire loops that can be folded over the top edge of filter if desired, to prevent filter from folding in during the brew cycle. Insert a bund filter into the funnel. Pour fresh coffee into the brew funnel and level the bed of coffee by lightly shaking. Slide the brew funnel into the funnel rails on the brewer, making sure that it is fully seated in the back of the funnel rails. Place an empty server under the funnel. Select a batch size. Press the Enable Brew On/Off button. Momentarily press and release the assigned brew switch. The display will read "Now Brewing," which shows the time remaining in the brew cycle. Following the brew will be a countdown of drip time. The display screen will read "Dripping" and to show the time remaining. Carefully remove the brew funnel after visible dripping has stopped and discard grounds.